Hello everyone, welcome back to our SunFish video tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to update your personal information in the SunFish mobile app. So let's dive right in. Once you've logged in, tap Profile at the bottom right, then select Employee Information. Here, you'll see details like your employee ID, join date, and more. To make changes, just tap Edit. On the Edit page, you can update your personal data, address, contact info, even your education details. For example, if you've moved to a new place, simply go to the Address tab, hit Add, fill in your new details, and submit. Your request will be sent to the approver, and once approved, your data is updated. Super easy, right? With this feature, managing your personal info is quick and hassle-free.